Okay, so this is it. Okay, inspiring little learners to be big thinkers. Well, nice.
Big thinkers. Please subscribe to Nabi Tablet. Please subscribe to Nabi Tablet. Please subscribe to Nabi Tablet. Hello everyone. Today we're going to unbox
We will continue.
a tablet.
Okay.
Our last video ended into a deadlock, so making
Yeah.
the deadlock turn back into a real life video to upload.
Yeah. It's hard for us to open that one.
We did not open the other one and then upload it to YouTube, by the way, because everyone will...
It's hard to open. We don't know the password.
They will get confused. What kind of video are we doing?
Okay. Okay, this time we will unbox that one. We will unbox again because we already unboxed this one.
We're unboxing it.
Yeah. Okay, so this is it. Okay, inspiring little learners to be big thinkers. Well, nice.
Big thinkers.
And then we'll open it here. Wow. So these are the inside. This is the protection.
Okay, let's get that.
Okay.
I'll have it.
And then, so here's the tablet. Oh, I cannot get it.
Okay,
Please help me. Slowly.
Take the rubber bands on this.
No.
Okay.
So this is it. So this is the tablet. Oh. Okay. And this is the information guide. Okay, so we'll read this one. And then we got, so this is the cover, protection. So we'll stick this one
This
later.
one smells like something.
Okay, so here's the step one. Step 1, clean tablet covers with a cloth to remove any dirt. Make sure there are no dust particles. Step 2, starting from the edge, slowly peel off cover sticker from the sheet. And step 3, apply cover sticker to the right of the tablet cover and then work your way from right to left. So this is the one. Okay, we'll do it. Yeah, we're done already. We already stick the sticker. Fisher Price. Wow, nice.
Yeah, and this rubber.
Okay, we already stick the sticker and we will check another box here now. Another box.
Ooh,
Come on.
interesting.
Okay, please open that
So
one. Please get it.
I'll get it. Get this. Oh, I see the charger.
Okay, you open that one. Open that one. Try to open.
Difficult. More like a puzzle.
Maybe here. You can open here. This one here. This one here. Come on. No, not it there. Here. Oh, here. Oh. This one. Oh. Try to open.
Tricky sometimes. How do you open this? See if there's a dream work. Oh! And then after that,
Okay, so it comes with a charger.
yeah,
So
ripped
this
it
is
a
the
little
charger.
bit.
Charger on this
Yeah,
tablet.
ripped it.
Okay, so we'll try to turn on this one. Turn on. Okay. Actually, we already unboxed. And this time, we will show you that we already opened this one. Turn on.
Yeah. We just ended our video.
But we don't know that. Yeah.
Now
Okay, this
I-
time.
Okay, so actually, you already know the code by Daddy. Thanks, Daddy.
Okay.
Actually, I bought like.
Yeah, come on, use the code. Come on, hurry up.
I don't know the code like that.
Oh. Actually, yeah.
No.
We already tried it watching on YouTube.
This one.
Yeah. You have to say thank you. Who gave you this tablet? Yeah, I already got the video. But who gave you this tablet? You have to say thank you na.
Thank you.
To Tita Melot and Uncle John for giving you this tablet na. This tablet is just came from US pa in your package. Okay. So this is his new tablet. Okay, so these are the the inside of the tablet.
Mosquito vision.
Actually, these are more on educational learning. There's all apps are for kids. This one up zone for kids, Foo's Kids, Nabi Pass. What else here?
It's not mosquito.
And what Matthew liked on this one is he can watch on YouTube. Actually, Matthew liked to watch every time on YouTube. He doesn't like to play on this tablet. He likes to watch all the time on YouTube. So where's the YouTube here?
It is.
So
No
here.
way. So it's actually when you press the button YouTube, it presses YouTube.
Okay, there.
There, that's what I watch. Totally.
Okay, that's for now. So you have to say thank you. And then thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching your. What's the name of your channel?
Matthew no. Gwendolyn and Matthew Diary. I got a little bit offline, so bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.